Sun City Heritage Park. Hillsborough County, Florida. If you want to call them, you can call them, but I don't think there's anybody there to answer the phone. No alcohol. Under video surveillance. This is a park right next door to my campground, which is right there. And I'm just going to take a little hike through it today. I don't have any issues getting off the beaten path now. It's sure pretty back in here. I don't know, look at that Spanish moss. I could do a little research on that. That seems to prefer a certain kind of tree, because not all trees have it. Now it's on that long leaf pine, and that's a tree that used to cover a vast quantity of southeastern United States up the eastern seaboard. And it was logged extensively, and then we had things introduced like Japanese beetles, and so a toll was taken on that forest. I believe I heard that it was one of the largest ecosystems on planet Earth at one time. But they are trying to replant these trees and connect the different patches of them that are left to try to sort of recreate that old longleaf pine forest. They're very easily identifiable. Look how long. I don't know if you'd even call these leaves or not. I guess they are. But look how long they are on this longleaf pine. You wouldn't want to use that for a Christmas tree for sure. That looks like Tarzan should be swinging through there somewhere. That is some thick growth. Looks nice. Let's see if we can get a look at this Spanish moss up a little closer. I don't know if that's going to come out or not. But there's plenty of it to be found. There's a whole tree of it there. Okay, as part of an inside joke, with one of my viewers, the person I view, I had to hike on some palm leaves. Now admittedly that was staged a little bit. Now I didn't stage this one. This was laid out for me to hike through. Check out Hike With Me's channel on YouTube. She likes to show herself walking through gravel and different things, and I enjoy the sound that she makes doing that. I was going to try to identify some of these different types of palm trees. I looked up on the internet, and there were a whole lot of different species of these things that look just alike, so I sure didn't want to misidentify them, so I'm not even going to make an attempt. So if anybody knows what palms are, let me know. I hope everybody enjoyed this little trek through the Sun City Park. It's been pretty nice just getting outside in the sun. I know most of you are probably still experiencing that super Arctic cold blast we had. And it's still here in Tampa too. We're only going in the 50s today, so it's not like this is warm tropical paradise. But anyway, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time.